Hi, here's another video. I've got this Mini with major issues. Let me just show you here. I'm trying to fit an alternator because the battery light came on in the morning and I ignored it, and then the battery went dead halfway through. So I've had to replace the alternator, and here you can see me just fitting it. That's the old one, and the water pump backed up as well. That's the old water pump. I've removed them both. This is the new auto replacement alternator, which I'm fitting, in the process of fitting. Very difficult. And let me just show you down here. The water pump was leaking. I've put some rad weld in and it's leaked. That's why it's all white. But let me show you the water pump. That's the new water pump, which I'm in the process of fitting. Very difficult. And this is the pulley for the water pump. I bought a new one because, as you can see here, the old one's all cracked, the rubber. And like I said, I didn't actually film this because it was just too difficult to show you anything. It's all cramped. Also, because I kept jump starting the Mini to get it back up here. This is the footwell module, FRM3R, which holds firmware, which controls the lights and certain other functions of the car, and it packed up, so I've had to take it to this precision garage to get it get the firmware on it updated, and I've done so and refitted it back. As you can see, I've fitted back the panel. And here I'm just cleaning off the rad welds, which all the white stuff that spilled out when the pump was leaking. I've replaced the pump fully now, and the alternator. Just giving this section here a clean. And let me just show you here. I put the wheel back on because I'm going to take it for a test drive around the block a few times. So let me just start it up and show you. As you can see here, there's no engine management light now. There was before, and if you have a look over this side, there was a battery light. That's gone now. I've given the battery a full charge, but now that I've replaced the alternator, the battery error's gone away. Just going to reverse it off the drive and give it a test. Okay, I'm satisfied that seems to be working fine. So just got to pay some attention to this front grille. As you see, I've not refitted it as yet because, let me just show you here, the fins had faded, the grey fins, the paint has faded. So what I've done is give it a clean with some bleach because it had a lot of algae on the underside. Just clean the whole thing. Let me show you here, it's nice and dry now. So what I'm going to do, like I said before, I'm just going to spray the grey fins of the grille only. So I'm just going to mask off the chrome and the other black parts, which I don't want to paint, obviously. I'll just speed this section up for you, because it did take quite a while. Just finish off here. And that's complete. So what I'll do, I'll just take it outside. And I'll just show you here. You can see the black where it's the paint's all faded away. I bought this silver spray from Poundland, and I'm just going to give it a new lick of paint. As you see, I'm just spraying the grey parts of the grille, which had faded. Let's get close up there. And I'll just finish in spraying that, and I'll just spray the underside as well. That's the underside. And then I've just left that to dry. Okay, it's nice and dry now. So what I'm going to do is remove the masking tape. I'll just speed this section up also, because it took a bit of a while to remove all the masking tape. This last section here, I'm just removing the final section of the masking tape. Show you there. See, it's nice and grey now. Okay, it's just a matter of refitting it. So it just clips into the top of the front bumper, the bottom section of the grille. Here you can see me just clipping it in. And on the top section, there's just 4 bolts which screw into the plastic panel, which holds the radiator. That's the 4 bolts fitted there. Pretty satisfied with that. So if you notice, let me just show you here. That's the grille where I've sprayed it. And if you notice this part here, got bumped somehow. That's the tow cover. It's cracked in half, so I'm just going to order a new one. Get rid of this old piece here. And I've ordered a new one. I've had to cover it with some white double-sided vinyl. I tried to paint it, but the paint just kept wouldn't stick. So I've just put some white vinyl double-sided sticky on it. Show you there. So that's it, pretty much complete. Let me just show you here. Got the grille nicely painted, and like I said before, I've had to replace the alternator and the water pump because they both failed at the same time. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.